Welcome to all. In this video we are going to see how to implement a Boolean expression using NAND gate. NAND gate is an universal gate. This is the symbol of NAND gate, which is the complement of AND, and this bubbled OR is equivalent to NAND. This bubbled OR gate is also equivalent to NAND gate. First, implement the Boolean function f is equal to ab plus bc by NAND logic. So we have to implement this function by using only NAND gates. So first you have to implement this function by using basic gates, that is AND or NOT gate. Okay, here there is two product term. For that we need two AND gates, and we have to take the sum of that two product term. For that we need one OR gate. So totally we need two AND gates and one OR gate. First AND gate gives AB and second AND gate gives BC. The output of this two AND gate is given to OR gate, which gives the sum of this two. Finally you get AB plus BC. Okay, now it is an AND OR logic. You have to convert this into NAND logic. This AND gate can be converted into NAND by putting bubble on the output of AND gate, because NAND is the complement of AND. So by putting bubble on the output of AND gate, you get NAND gate. So put a bubble here. Okay. Bubble is inverting operation. Okay. So to compensate this bubble, you have to put another bubble on the same line. Okay. To compensate this bubble, you have to put another bubble. Now there is two bubbles on the same line. Bubble represent inverting operation. There is two bubble on the same line. By involution property, A double bar is equal to A. So nothing will happen to that A. You get the original value. Here also we are putting two bubbles on the same line. So it will not change anything in this circuit. Okay. Now you get NAND gate here. That is, your AND gate is converted into NAND gate. At the output stage you get bubbled R. Bubbled R is equivalent to NAND gate. So you can replace this by NAND. So finally you get the logic diagram like this, in which the function is implemented by using only NAND gates. Next function, AB plus D. Okay. First you have to implement this by using basic gates. There is one product term and one sum term. So we need one AND gate and one OR gate. The AND gate gives the product AB. This AB and D is given to OR gate, which gives the sum AB plus D. Okay. Next, this AND gate can be converted into NAND by putting bubble on the output. So put a bubble. To compensate this bubble, put another bubble on the same line, which is at the input of OR gate. Okay. This OR gate can be converted into NAND gate if there is bubbles on its input. Okay. So already there is one bubble. So put another bubble here. Okay. To compensate this bubble, otherwise put another bubble on the same line. To compensate this bubble, put bubble on the same line. Bubble is inverting operation. Here I am using inverter for that. Instead of bubble, I am using inverter. Okay. So now here this AND gate is converted into NAND. This is invert R, bubbled R, which is equivalent to NAND. Okay, you can replace this by NAND gate. And here you are having NOT, which can be replaced by NAND. Okay, if you are giving same input on both the lines of NAND gate, means you get inverter. Okay, so now replace this inverter by NAND gate. Next, you can replace this by NAND. Okay. Finally you get the logic diagram like this, in which this function is implemented by using only NAND gates. Next function, f is equal to a plus b dot a plus c. So here the function is in product of sum form. Okay. First implement this function using basic gate. There is two sum term. For that we need two OR gates. and you have to take the product of the two sum. For that we need AND gate. So we need two OR gates and one AND gate. So two OR gates, sorry, we need two OR gates and one AND gate. So two OR gates, first OR gate gives the sum A plus B and second OR gate gives the sum A plus C. The output of the two OR gate is given to AND gate, which gives the product A plus B dot A plus C. Okay. So next, if you want to convert this AND into NAND, means we have to put bubble on its output. And if you want to convert this R into NAND, means we have to put bubble in its input, right? So put bubble at the output. To compensate this, you have to put another bubble on the same line. For that I am using inverter here. Next, put a bubble at the input of OR gate, right? So next, to compensate this, you have to put another bubble on the same line. For that I am using inverter. Instead of a bubble I am using inverter here, because there is no other gate. Next, inverter. This is bubbled R, which is equivalent to NAND. So you can replace this by NAND. And inverter can be implemented by means of NAND. So next, implement that inverter by using NAND gate. Replace this bubbled OR by NAND gate and convert this to NAND. Okay. Finally, you get the logic diagram like this, in which this function is implemented by using only NAND gates. Next, f is equal to AB dash plus A dash B dot C plus D dash. So first you have to implement this using basic gates. Here there is two product terms, three product terms. So we need three AND gates and two sum term. For that we need two OR gates. So we need three AND gates and two OR gates. The first AND gate gives A B dash, second AND gate gives A dash B. The output of this two AND gate is given to OR gate, which gives the sum A B dash plus A dash B. Next, C and D dash is given to OR gate, which gives C plus D dash. Then this two are given to AND gate, which gives the product, that is F. Okay. So next, to convert this AND into NAND, put a bubble at the output. Okay. To compensate this, you have to put another bubble on the same line. So you have to put bubble at the input of the OR gate. Okay. Then to convert this into NAND, put bubble at the output. Okay. Here, to convert this OR gate into NAND, put bubble at the input. So to compensate this, you have to put another bubble. For that we can use inverter, or you can complement this literal, which is given on that line. Because if you are putting inverter, means we are taking complement of the C. So instead of putting that inverter, we can take a complement and you can replace this C by C dash and D dash by D. Okay, so here the input is C dash and D. Okay. Now come to this output side, put a bubble at the output. To compensate this, introduce another bubble. Here I am using inverter. Okay. Now this is bubbled R, which can be replaced by NAND, and this is bubbled R, which can be replaced by NAND, and inverter, which can be implemented by NAND. So finally you get the logic diagram like this, in which the function is implemented by using only NAND gate.